Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making a remedy using yogurt. I'll be showing you how you can use yogurt to fight infection, be it any kind of infection, yeast infection, candida infection, any type of infection, smelling discharge, any type of discharge. So in case you are new here and have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this is going to take care of any infection that stops you from conceiving. So in case you are not trying to conceive anyway, it's very good to take care of any infection because you won't be comfortable at all. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. Guys, let's go straight into this remedy now. So in this video, we're going to be using yogurt to fight infection, to get rid of yeast infection, staph infection, itchiness, so many more. Okay, so here is my yogurt, an organic yogurt. So you can get yours from the supermarket, you can get it from a food stores. Yogurt is a natural probiotics, important to get rid of infections down there. It's essential to replace good bacteria in your body, which is essential in maintaining the correct balance and keep yeast infection from overgrowing in your body. So yeast infection can be so harmful, very bad for you, for your health. It can disrupt the good bacteria in your lady parts and cause smelling discharge, offensive discharge, and many more. Infection can as well make you not to conceive. Yeah, it can cause so many harm in your body, which you will not like. It can as well cause hormonal imbalance. We'll be doing the drinkable one, and we'll also be doing the one you can just insert in there. Okay, so before you start, you have to get a very clean glass cup like this. Okay, any size you like. Then you just add some amount of yogurt. Okay, so this is it. So the next thing to add in here for the first step is honey. Okay, so here is an organic honey. Organic, I mean, is raw honey. Okay, addition of honey is very good for you. It will help to take care of those bacteria that has an antifungal effect against candida species like yeast infection, discharges, smells, itchiness, itchy skin around those regions. So this will help so much to take care of those infections and make them not to bother you again. You have to add 2 tablespoons of honey. And this is for the drinkable one. I'm going to keep it aside and show you the next step. So you have to get a clean bowl like this. Yeah, make sure everything is clean. And you have to get the yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And we have here coconut oil. Coconut oil is also very important. It contains antifungal properties and antibacterial properties as well that helps to get rid of infection. It helps to stop itchiness around those regions. It helps to reduce discharges, all those harmful discharge. Okay, so coconut oil is also very good. Maintain the pH balance of your your lady parts and just stabilize everything and make sure you have no infection. So this will as well stop all those smelling foul odor. Okay, so this we have here 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You also have to mix it very well. So we are done mixing it. So it's time to explain to you how to use this and this. So this first one is yogurt and honey, okay? And here we have yogurt and coconut oil. This is how you are going to do it. This, you have to drink 1 full glass cup like this every day, okay? Drink it on an empty stomach or not, anytime you like. Yeah, so in case you have a serious infection, you have to be taking it 1 glass cup in the morning, afternoon and night, which is 3 cups daily, okay? For serious infection, 3 cups daily. And here we have coconut oil and yogurt. This, you should be taking it like this. Mix it very well, you know, and insert it in there. If you just take it like this, insert and rub it through, and you know, clockwise and anti-clockwise, just like that. So you have to leave it on like that for 30 minutes to 1 hour, okay? Then after that, you rinse it off. Just go to your bathroom and use only water to rinse it off. You should do it like that morning and night. After having your bath, you know, after cleaning up, you just insert it in there and outer part. Then after 30 minutes to 1 hour, you go rinse it off with only water. You should be doing it like that 2 times daily, okay? Just continue doing it until you see a result. I don't know when it's going to cure for you. I only know of mine because I've used this in the past. Many women have infection, be it minor infection or major infection. We just need to be taking care of it, okay? So yeah, this is drinkable. Yeah, after mixing it, you have to take it as I said earlier. Okay, you have to be drinking this and be applying this. So this is one of the ways to take care of yeast infection, staph infection, and stop all those itchiness, you know, from within. This treatment is inside out. Like you take this will work from the inside, and this will take care of it on the outside. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload a video. So I'll see you in my next video.